One of the things that you can do is add an image within the title text itself so that the image actually moves along with the text. So to do that, I'm going to go around over here, and let's say I'm going to add in my cursor over here where I want to insert out my image, and then I'm going to go around onto the text menu, and then I'm going to go to the image right here. And here you can see that insert image into text is an option. So once I click on this, then what I can do is I can go around and navigate around right here. Let me just go around onto the large icons or even extra large icons right here. So once I go around, you can see that I can choose around a photo as I like. And once I do that, I can click on open. And what happens is that my image will be inserted over here where my text is, as you can see right here. So I can press space right here, and you can see that I can go around and change the location right here, just like this. So this acts as a text, as you can see. And if I were to go around and change around the size, the image size changes out. So you want to insert out some symbols along with the text, then this is quite helpful. So I can insert image into text right here, and you can go around and choose any image that you want right here. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and choose this one right here and press open, and what happens is that that particular image will be inserted right here. So you can see that that is what you have. So there you go. So you can see that you can go around, press the space bar, and this acts like a text rather than an image. So you have some symbols and so forth. You can insert it out into the title text, just like that. So that is how you can add an image in title text itself inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.